Are you facing the no sound driver problem on Roblox? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, you'll need to search for sound settings. After it appears, launch it. Now here you're going to find different option. Scroll down, navigate to the option, all sound devices. Now head over to the option speakers. Make sure your default device is selected and set the volume to 100%. Many times this alone solves the Roblox sound issue. Also you can set format to another one and test it. This might fix your issue. Next up, click on the option check for driver updates. Again, click on the option check for updates. If any updates are available, just update it. Next up, search for device manager. Now head over to this option, audio input and output. Now navigate to the option speaker, double click on it, click on the option driver, then click on the option update driver. Do this one by one for all listed devices. And that's it. After following these steps, your Roblox sound driver issue should be fixed and your audio should work perfectly again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.